What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great, and welcome to Roman Percussion. My name is Will Roman. On this channel, I upload different rhythms as well as tips and tricks to help you as a percussionist. If that interests you, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to leave a like on today's video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to play Cumbia on Congas. Let's get started. One, two, three, four. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also leave a like. And I'll see you guys next Friday. Have a good one. Peace.